3, 2, 1.
You're watching
TKO Takeover.
We are here to help you with your everyday needs.
Fixing the air code error in Marvel Rival is a straightforward process. Start by opening Task Manager to monitor running applications. Identify programs consuming excessive CPU, memory, or data. Right-click on these resource-intensive applications and select End Task to free up processing power, as Marvel Rival requires significant resources to run smoothly. Once that is done, navigate to Steam, right-click on it, and select Run as Administrator. This action ensures you have the required permissions to modify game settings. Once in the Steam library, locate Marvel Rival under Collections, right-click on it, and choose Properties. From there, go to the Install Files tab and click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. This step confirms that your game files are intact and verifies your account's legitimacy. After verifying the game files, exit Steam and enable Administrator mode on your system to perform further steps. Open the Control Panel on your desktop and search for Firewall in the settings. Ensure your firewall is temporarily disabled, as an active firewall can block Marvel Rival from running by mistakenly identifying it as a security threat. After disabling the firewall, restart the game. These steps should effectively resolve the air code error, allowing Marvel Rival to function properly.